Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Ambire Wallet for the first time used in laptop. Ambire Wallet is a modern smart crypto wallet that lets you store, send, receive and manage your cryptocurrencies directly from your web browser. It also supports decentralized app without needing a browser extension. So if you're using Ambire Wallet for the first time on your laptop, this guide will walk you through the complete setup step by step. So on your laptop, you need to open any of the web browser. Make sure you already have in your extension here. Select your Web3 wallet, Ambire Wallet, and once you open to your Ambire Wallet here, and after you created your new wallet, logged in with your account here, you can also go to your general settings and you can lock your Ambire if you want. You can also auto lock device. You can change your theme mode here. And if you want any of the recovery phrases, you can go to this recovery. You can go to this recovery phrases and you can select to your account here. You can select to this manage here and over here select reveal phrase. Simply type down your password and select your submit in order to reveal your seed phrase. And after that, you can go access to your wallet dashboard. And at this point, your wallet is active and ready for use. You can also add your funds to your wallet. You can start using Ambire Wallet fully. You can add your crypto to it, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.